What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today you join me on a nice hot summer's day with the new Audi RS3 Competition Limited, which is a limited edition to celebrate 50 years of Audi 5-cylinder. Now, we were at the world premiere, the introduction near Frankfurt a couple months ago, but we had some unfinished business because the Autobahn there was not great, wasn't able to do a proper top speed run. So yeah, it just kept sort of, I don't know, it wasn't finished. So very kindly, Audi has provided another one of these competition limiteds for us to do another review and to do a proper top speed run. So today I'm going to do a very quick walk around. I'll do a super quick recap of what the competition limited is, and then we'll go for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. Also great to compare it to other cars and to regular RS3s on our proving grounds, of course. So let's have a look at the things you get on the competition limited. Click in the top right corner if you want to watch my full review of it, where I go in depth into everything. Today, you know, if you don't feel like watching that video first, I'll do a quick overview. So you get matte carbon details around the car, like these little winglets, this vertical slat and the little splitter things. You get the heritage badge at the front, the RS badge. You get the DRLs that blink when you unlock it in the firing order of the engine, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, which is nice. And you get these neodymium wheels, so that like gold color, which is very nice, suits the car really well with the malachite green, which is also a historic Audi color. Behind that you get carbon ceramics at the front axle as standard on the competition limited. You get these P0R tires, 265s at the front, 245s at the rear, and you get, which is, well, together with this whole deal, like this wheel, tire, brake, suspension setup is the thing that makes this car, if you ask me, because you also get the manually adjustable KW suspension that you also find on an RS4 competition, an RS6 GT. It is magic. It truly transforms the car, so that's reason enough to get the car. Matte carbon side skirt and mirror caps. You get an RS3 Sportback logo there, but the competition limited over there. You also have the option to go Trofeo R tire, so like a proper semi-slick. More matte carbon on the diffuser. Exhaust opens up a little bit further than stock, well, than the regular RS3. They also removed some sound deadening, so it's a little bit louder inside as well. And then you've got the beautiful 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine, 400 horsepower, 500 newton meters of torque. Glorious, amazing, sounds great. 3.8 seconds to 100 and top speed 290. On the inside you get competition limited floor mats, and you get this gray center for the seats with a limited logo, competition limited rear seats as well. And you get this ginger white seat belt, super nice. You also get a white rev counter dial. So the round one we go for in performance mode. You also get the limited number over there, so they're making 750 of these. This is a press car, so this is like a pre-production basically. So this is 000. This one will probably be destroyed after we were done with it, unfortunately. But they're making 585 hatchbacks, 165 sedans. All right. We also have the torque rear mode. So this means that ESC goes completely off, and it's this trick differential that sort of emulates a drift mode. And it's not perfect. It doesn't really work all the time. So let me just see if I can get it to work over here. No, yeah. It works best when it's wet. In the dry, you need to be so fully committed. You need to like full send it. And and sometimes it will work properly. But that new system on the RS5 works a lot better. So this is like fun because it does sort of change the balance of the car. But it kind of feels weird as well. It's like the car's all the time correcting left, right, and it's like going a little bit like a snake. But it is, yeah, it's such a good car. It is like the best RS3 ever. It's like they've dialed everything up and we're like, okay, if we're going to do 50 years of 5-cylinder, it needs to be really good. Launch control doesn't always work. It does work now. So that's 3.9. Should be able to do a little bit quicker than that. We do have proper temperature in the tires, so let's try that once more. Last time around I did 3.8, so you also get a countdown. 3.9. You also get a countdown on the head-up display to you know, release the brake, which is also pretty fun. Oh, but the performance is not really what I care about. As I said, that wheel brake, tire, suspension, that thing, that corner left and right, especially at the front, that is what makes this car truly special, because it feels so sticky. So eager to turn and so just ready to go. It is a big difference compared to a regular RS3, and before driving it I wasn't really expecting the difference to be this big, to be honest. All right. Oh. Autobahn. I think last time I did 936. You know, it is 30 degrees out today, so not really here for that 100 to 200 time, but we'll see what we do today. We're mostly here to hit the top speed because I don't really like it when we do these new cars, and especially, you know, this one has a higher top speed than the regular one. We need to hit top speed, otherwise it just feels unfinished to me. It's just I can't. So fortunately we have our beautiful piece of Autobahn here where you can basically hit top speed with almost any car almost all of the time. So van is going left probably. There he goes. Yeah, it's probably a bit too hot. As we're used to from RS3s, they feel great at high speed, they feel stable, they feel easy to cruise at high speed. Oh wow, you do actually need quite a bit of space to hit top speed, I think. ceramic, so that's good. I'm going to brake here. Okay, so we might actually be able to hit 300 on the speedo, which would be cool. I think that was like 280 something, right, on the GPS. So I hope I didn't jinx it by saying that you usually are able to hit top speed over here. Let's find out if we have more luck on this side. Well, more luck. I would be interested to see if we can hit that 300 mark, but yeah, all depends on the space and the traffic, and it's a bit of a luck as well. But it is pretty impressive that you can get this from a factory hothatch nowadays, 290 top speed. So I don't know why this car's on the left lane here. Over here we've got some bumps, but the car will be fine to do that. I can imagine that it is getting hotter and hotter, the engine and stuff, so it kind of feels like it's starting to struggle slightly. RS3. No, it's just, it feels like this is it. 280 GPS. 5, 4. That's a shame. 297 on the other side. We hit top speed of this car at this time, so I'm going to check that off. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Audi for supplying the car once more for us to do our test with. Really appreciate it. We can properly check it off now. But this, I mean, look at that. Again, tire suspension combo is the real MVP, because the cornering speeds and just the feel and feedback and the amount of grip is just epic. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button. Make sure you check out the video over here if you want to watch that. Check out the playlist if you want to watch another one, and subscribe by clicking the big button. Thanks. See you at the next one. Bye.